Why you should choose DuroMax DMX-GTX Portable Generator Running Cover. All-weather protection for reliable outdoor power. The DuroMax DMX-GTX Portable Generator Running Cover is designed to keep your generator protected and operating safely during extreme outdoor conditions. This weatherproof vinyl canopy installs in minutes using a simple 3-step system that requires no tools or drilling, making it easy to secure your generator before storms arrive. Built for real-world emergencies. The DMX-GTX cover is rated to withstand winds up to 110 mph, hurricane-level rainfall of up to 18 inches per hour, and snow loads of up to 20 inches, allowing your generator to continue running during severe weather events. Made from dual-coated, ripstop waterproof vinyl with welded seams, this generator cover is NFPA 701 flame retardant and resistant to fire, rain, snow, UV exposure, and extreme temperatures from 45 degrees C to 85 degrees Celsius. Its patented and independently tested design ensures long-lasting durability and reliable performance in harsh climates. Outdoor-grade elastic straps, heavy-duty Velcro fasteners, and reinforced construction keep the canopy securely in place. Designed for universal open-frame generators, the DuroMax DMX-GTX running cover delivers peace of mind and uninterrupted power when you need it most. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching my video. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.